his panels called The Mirror of Secret Work. In the sort of Russian dolls of knowledge and denial and all the split loyalties and quadruple crossing, but do you purposefully make one good person, one kind of moral centre?
Well, I think a book has to have a good guy. I mean, even if the good guy's a bad guy. Anybody watch Dexter? You know, those characters, I can't watch it. It's a little too dark for me, but I think even people are complicated folks. And Jonathan Grave is a guy who he commits murder. He goes out to rescue people who have been kidnapped, and it's a freelance thing. This isn't done through the FBI. This is a guy, your loved one's taken. He called Jonathan. Jonathan goes and gets him back. And he does it through illegal means. He does wiretaps that can't be done, and he follows people, and he asks questions in ways that you're not supposed to ask questions to folks. But as he says, he's on the side of the angels. Because he is. He is nominally a good guy. But people like Mark, in his law enforcement days, not Mark personally, but the law enforcers are looking to solve murders that he has committed in his wake. Now, we all know that it's only the bad guys that have been killed, but to the outsider, they don't know that. And I think that everybody is that complicated. I think everybody in this room, as pacifist as you may be, is capable of murder if you're pushed far enough. Threaten your kid, see what's going to happen. So I think creating characters that have that kind of dichotomy is very interesting. Now, on the political side, the Washington spy game kind of thing, because there are so many careers that are involved, and because so many folks are pursuing their own objective, irrespective of doing anything for the greater good, therein lies that cynicism. And I think that once you get characters who are real people, but in this case drawing fiction, once you get characters who are in that nether region, it's easy just to play the game, because now you're just doing what everybody else does and you're justified.